Hi everyone. Today, let me explain about the latest updates from Ministry of Economy in related to anti-money laundering compliance. The UAE Ministry of Economy has extended the grace period for the businesses to be in compliance with the anti-money laundering AML and combating financing of terrorism CFT guidelines till March 31st for selected categories of businesses as an attempt to control the financial crimes that are on the rise. The Ministry of Economy has stipulated heavy penalties for businesses that fail to comply with the anti-money laundering and combating financing of terrorism requirements by the due date. Businesses that fail to do so will face fines range from dirham 50,000 to up to 1 million and can be raised to dirham 5 million based on the provisions of the law and according to the assessment of the Supreme Committee for Combating Money Laundering and Financing of Terrorism and Illegal Organizations. AED 1 million penalty will be charged on cases of bank accounts, fake bank accounts, failure to take action against clients listed on international or domestic sanctions list before establishing or continuing with the business. This applies to the activities on the below mentioned categories. 1. Accountants and auditors. Second one, company and trust service providers. Third one, dealers in precious metals and stones. And finally, the real estate agents and brokers. All these businesses must register with the Financial Intelligence Unit (GoAML) and also enroll themselves on the Committee for Commodities subject to Import and Export Control System. Once the registration is completed, then the businesses must adopt other measures related to AML and CFT in accordance with the provisions stated by the decree law. We, Emirates Chartered Accountants Group, can support you registering with Financial Intelligence Unit (GoAML) and also can assist you in complying and implementing AML and CFT guidelines and procedures.